Now for a change of scenery, for the better, I assure you. Please join me in welcoming Diane Strunk, leader of PACT and a well-respected executive in Philadelphia.
Our second group of finalists in the emerging company category is in the technology sector. This year, we welcome our sponsor, Broadpath. Broadpath is a public relations firm focusing their competitive edge on technology companies and offering strategic communication plans that are innovative and targeted. We couldn't ask for a more perfect sponsor for this category. Let's welcome Broadpath CEO, Gretchen Rohde, to the stage.
Thanks, Diane. I'm very excited to watch our finalist videos.
Broadpath is honored to sponsor the Emerging Technology Award. This category recognizes 3 outstanding companies that have had at least 4 years of operating results with less than $50 million in revenue. Key considerations in selecting this year's finalists include a milestone or 2 that led to growth in revenues and/or earnings, and the strength of the management team to raise capital. Let's learn more about our 3 Emerging Technology Award finalists. Our first finalist is Clinical Inc. Founded in 2007, Clinical Inc. is dedicated to transforming clinical development from start to submit by creating a completely paperless clinical trial platform for sites, sponsors, CROs, and patients. Clinical Inc. maintains offices in Winston-Salem, Cary, North Carolina, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and Boston, Massachusetts.
With the FDA's 2013 endorsement of eSource, Clinical Inc.'s award-winning clinical trials platform quickly became the most widely used eSource solution. Our platform has been used in more trials to deliver data and documents in real time. Pharmaceutical sponsors no longer have to wait weeks to access study data, but can see results literally in minutes. Today, Clinical Inc. continues to transform clinical development by making it easier for research sites and patients to collect data electronically during an office visit, at home through an automated medical device, or even remotely on a patient's own cell phone.
Our second finalist is Evolve IP. Evolve IP is the cloud services company designed from the beginning to provide organizations with a unified option for cloud services. Evolve IP enables decision makers to migrate all or select parts of their IT technologies to its award-winning cloud platform.
Today, there are nearly 80,000 corporate users of the Evolve IP One Cloud all over the world. We built a balanced business based on 4 strategic growth pillars: direct customer acquisition, channel partners, mergers and acquisitions, and private label. All 4 of these growth pillars today make significant contributions to our business, which have helped us achieve an 80% compounded annual growth rate since inception in 2007.
Our third finalist is RJ Metrics. Whether you're a CEO, a performance marketer, or a product manager, your job is to make decisions. RJ Metrics gives you the data you need when you need it. The company consolidates all of your data into a single warehouse and allows you to perform sophisticated analysis, all without needing to wait for engineering resources.
So we mostly bootstrapped RJ Metrics for our first 4 years or so of operation, and during this time we spent a lot of energy building our technology and finding product market fit, and it was when we really found a formula that worked was when we started raising outside capital to scale. And in the 2 years since, we've taken off like a rocket ship. We've been growing sales, the customer base has grown aggressively, we've raised over $20 million in venture capital investment, and our staff has grown from 20 to over 120 in that time.
Our technology emerging company finalists are Clinical Inc., Evolve IP, and RJ Metrics. Gretchen, which company is taking away the coveted techie?
The Emerging Technology Company of the Year goes to Evolve IP.
Accepting the award on behalf of Evolve IP are Thomas Gravina, Chairman, CEO, and co-founder, and Guy Fardeau, COO and General Manager.
Well, I'd like to just take a second and thank PAC, the board of directors, all of the judges, and Dean and Diane for their gracious event and the success they've had for so many years. I'll tell you a quick story. 25 years ago, a bunch of us got together and started a communications company in the 1980s and grew it over about 15 years into one of the largest privately held communication companies in the country. We took it public in 2000, ran it as a public company for about 5 years, and then sold it again. This same group of people decided to go into the cloud business, so to speak, because we thought it was going to change the way the world functioned and the way it purchased its services. So in 2006, we started, raised a bunch of money, and rolled out our first product in 2008. Tonight, we're going to get Emerging Technology Company of the Year, but I can tell you that we have emerged as a national brand in the cloud technology space. So I want to thank those 50 to 75 of us that have been together for 25 years. We're very humbled by it, we're very thankful, and we wish everybody a great night and thank everybody for the award. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Great job, Tom and Guy. Evolve IP is truly a homegrown Philadelphia success story, and thanks to our PR-savvy sponsor, BroadPath.